So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable notifications for specific apps on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select Notifications. Under Notifications, tap on App Notifications. Then from here, you should see an apps list. So if you want to enable or disable notifications for specific apps, all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle. So if, for example, we want to enable notifications from Gmail, we'll just tap on the toggle like that, and I should start receiving any notifications from Gmail. But if you want to disable for something different, say for example, you want to disable your message notifications, again, tap on the toggle and they'll be turned off. So it's up to you to go through this apps list and decide which app will give you notifications and which app won't be able to give you notifications. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.